So thanks for clicking. Today we are going to make a turmeric Caesar salad with ranch. And then we have our golden brown mustard fried chicken. And this is all, or these are all the ingredients that I use. I used about a tablespoonful of each ingredient. I didn't have any onion powder. You know, the Badia always works. So, just mix it up real quick. And then as the video plays, you all will see or hear me talk about this even more. We're just going to season it there. It looks like a lot of seasoning, but I promise you it's not, because the salt is so minimum that it's crazy. So I ended up adding some more Badia because I was like, I just don't think that's enough salt, and I'm glad that I did. So just mixing it with my hands. I'm the only one that's going to eat this, so I don't need on gloves, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and add that mustard. I did about 2 to 3 tablespoons full. I would have to say like 2, because it was only 6 pieces of wingettes or drumettes. Okay, so hey, you all, sit back and enjoy the video. I'm super excited. It's my first time making mustard fried chicken. Make sure you leave comments down below. And if you like my video, give it a thumbs up, guys. Hello, welcome if you're new, and welcome back if you are true. My name is Opal May, and this is what we're doing today. Hey, girl, hey. We're going to make us some mustard fried chicken. Y'all, I never made mustard fried chicken, and I just been wanting some fried chicken, So if you're interested in see how this mustard fried chicken turns out, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so thanks for staying tuned. I had to close that cabinet behind me. Okay, so we got our chicken. I got some halal chicken. It says no antibiotics ever, fed vegetarian diet, and then it's air chilled. I'm excited. Comment down below if you've ever made mustard fried chicken and tell me how it turned out. We got us some complete black pepper, some garlic powder. I don't have any onion powder, so garlic minus the onion powder. I got some ground mustard. It doesn't say use ground mustard. It says use regular mustard, but I added a little bit of the ground mustard. So I think I did a tablespoon, which as you all could see prior to in the clip right before, how much I used. I think it was like a teaspoon, I think. And then a teaspoon of black pepper, and then a teaspoon of this. I think I did a teaspoon of everything. And then later on, the Badia seemed like it wasn't enough, so I added another a half a teaspoon. And then I added 2 tablespoons of the mustard. And then this is what our chicken looks like, and I'm letting it sit for a little while. Don't look real yellow. I don't know if the mustard matters. This is organic yellow mustard from Target. I don't know if it matters. And then we're gonna use olive oil. It's a better oil. We got this from Costco. So we're gonna put oil in our skillet. We have a little small skillet. We're gonna do that. We're gonna turn our eye on the gas stove. Let's go ahead and pour our grease. And I'm not gonna put too much oil because I don't wanna drown it. Okay, and this is how much oil I put in. Like I said, I didn't want it filled to the top. I just want it just barely, because I just really don't want it smothered in oil, which is I'm already cooking it in oil. But I just wanna try this recipe, y'all. I'm so excited about trying this. All right, so this is how much oil we have in the pan. We're gonna let our grease get hot. I also have my flour right here, so we can add our flour. Okay, we're just gonna put our little, I really don't, okay. That should be enough flour on there. And then our grease should be hot because I just tested it. So let's go ahead and drop us some in there. Yes. Might be a little too hot. All right, let's see. Let's put some more in the flour. Okay, so I floured some more. We're gonna put this one last piece in there. two. We got 6 pieces so far. Okay, let's turn our eye up just a little bit. I turned it down because it seemed like it was cooking. The oil was kind of smoking, so I turned it down. So let's turn it back up. I had to cool it down just a bit. All right, so here we go. All right, now I still got some chicken lab. 1, 2, 3. It's just me. There's, wow, let's see, that's 12 pieces of chicken. That's a lot of chicken. Actually, I could save some of this. Actually, I am gonna put this in the freezer. Okay, so now that our other chicken's cooking, remember we got 6 more pieces. So we are going to put this, oh, you know what? Yeah, I think I'm gonna put all of it in there. Save it, put this in the freezer. I just wanted to literally try it, and it's just me that's gonna try it. So I don't need all that chicken. I'm gonna clean as I go along because I do not want to turn that fan on. Sorry, y'all, that is really loud. Hold on. I had to turn down the music. But listen to my old school Marvin Gaye, Michael Jackson, and all of that. So anyway, I clean as I go along. Let me turn this eye up just a little more. All right, let's put this in the I don't need any more of this flour. I was gonna throw it away, but I'll save it for when I make those other ones. Name something good to make with the mustard fried chicken. Comment down below. Like, what is a good side? Mashed potatoes and gravy? But I don't really want all that. Something healthy, because I'm already doing the fried chicken. Maybe some spinach and some spinach and, I don't know. Comment down below and tell me what you think is a good side to have with this mustard fried chicken. All right, so we're gonna save this flour. That I was gonna throw it away, but I changed my mind. And then we're gonna put the rest of this chicken in the freezer. So let's just separate our chicken. Y'all hear that sizzle? You hear that sizzle, girls? Let me see. Ooh, it's looking good. Let me show y'all. Hold on. Look at that. Okay, so now that it's cooking, I done turned it over. I'm thinking about 6 minutes. 6 minutes, Dougie Fresh, you're on. On. Y'all remember that song? I'm telling my age, right? Okay, so we got our chicken. What can we make with it? I don't really know. I'm probably not going to make nothing with it, to be honest. Oh, a salad. A salad, a salad, a salad. You can never go wrong with a salad. So let's do, we got some lettuce, Parmesan, Caesar dressing. I don't want to use a Caesar. Let's use a ranch. And then we're going to mix our ranch with a little bit of milk. I don't like mine thick. I like it real thin. Let me show y'all because I juiced earlier. I tell you, eat good, a lot of vegetables and stuff in here. Eat good and then eat a little bad. But it's really not bad, y'all. It's just fried. But it's just a little bit, okay? I'm gonna eat like 3 pieces today and then 3 today and 3 tomorrow, and the rest is in the freezer. A little bit is okay. Moderation. Look at all that juice. I'm a juicer. This is Swiss chard, kale, ginger, cucumbers, and apples. So let's cut up some lettuce. While let me put my apron on. Shame on me to not have it on. Most of the time I remember, most of the time I don't. I'm excited about this mustard fried chicken. It looks so good. Let's see if Opal May can make some chicken. Now normally when I used to do chicken a lot, matter of fact, I'm gonna do it one day. I'm gonna do a video. It's oven baked chicken, y'all, and it comes out so it's just like you fried it, but it's minus all the oil. If you want to see that video, drop that comment down below and let me know. Okay, so these are nice. Let's make us a salad. Got some romaine hearts. I'm a little too close. Let me see if I can scoot y'all back. Hold on. Scoot y'all back a bit because I'm too close. Let's see. It's a little better. It's gonna be real simple. chicken and a salad. And we have our Parmesan, because we're doing a Caesar salad with ranch instead of the Caesar. I have Caesar, but I like it with ranch sometimes, and sometimes I like it with Caesar. Okay, so this is our salad. Of course, we have our romaine, and we have our Parmesan cheese. Let's add a little bit of ranch, okay? So a little bit of our ranch, okay? Just a little bit, a very small amount of milk, just a little bit, not too much. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of turmeric in there. All right, and then the last piece. All right, turn off our eye. Let that grease cool down because we're gonna pour that out. All right. Can't really see it, I'm gonna turn it. You can see it. So this is our chicken. This should need to be my screenshot. Finally trying mustard chicken. Not my screenshot, but my oh gosh, I can't even think of what you call it. Okay, so now that our chicken is done, we gotta let it cool down though, because that chicken is hot. Then we got our turmeric Caesar salad, well, we use ranch. And I don't like my salad drenched in dressing. So a good way is to use milk, and then that way it's not too thick. A little bit of pepper. Pepper and turmeric mixed together is a great combination, along with a little bit of olive oil. Those really help the turmeric dissolve in your system if you're having like inflammation issues. Okay, so our salad is done. Let's put this lettuce up. All right, and as soon as this chicken cools down, we're gonna have us some chicken. In the meantime, I'm gonna clean up this mess completely, and then I'll be back on camera. I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, so our mustard fried chicken, y'all, it done cooled down. Let's try it. What's your favorite piece? Is it the flats or the drums? Let me see, move that out the way. Let's see, got my salad. I've been eating some of the salad already. Still smoker. But at least I can eat it. Looks good. I didn't put a lot of seasoning. Oh, actually, there is enough seasoning. But it's good. It's good. Hold up. Let's try the Crystal hot sauce. Just to give it a little more seasoning or salt, because I don't over season. Let's see. Let's have one more piece on camera. Just one more. That sauce is hot. Let's put less. How do you make your mustard fried chicken? Okay. Let's bite this thing, y'all. Let's bite it. Let's bite it. Still smoking, but not too hot. But this is a little spicy. Hot for me. This is good. I like it. I think maybe they call it mustard fried chicken because you put mustard in your batter. Because I don't taste no mustard. It just tastes like fried chicken. I needed that. See, now 2 pieces, I'm telling you 3, it's gonna be just enough. Want some water. It's just regular fried chicken to me, but it's good. It's not like, oh my gosh, mustard fried chicken. But it's good. It was my first time making mustard fried chicken. First time trying it. And I said, let me do it on camera. I didn't even think about it when I was buying the chicken. But when I got home, I'm thinking, why not record it? Like, why not? That's going to conclude this video. If you made it this far, I just want to thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support. And don't forget to comment down below if you've tried it. Anyway, it's been real. It's been fun. But your girl is done. Bye, guys.